This AI anime story page made over 22,941 last month, using nothing but AI tools and a little storytelling sauce. In today's video, I'm going to break down how you can launch your own AI-powered anime story page. Even if you're starting with no audience, no gear, and no budget. This ain't one of the basic starter theme page tutorial. I'm going to show the exact steps to go from zero to monetized. So step one is your niche. You don't want to just make another anime edits page. That's oversaturated and has low emotional pull. Instead, you want anime inspired stories. Things that look like Studio Ghibli or your name vibe. So I asked ChatGPT, give me viral niche page ideas related to anime that trigger emotional engagement and can be monetized through storytelling or merch. And here's what I got back. And it's super easy to turn into monetized offers later. Then I went deeper. I told ChatGPT to give me 10 specific sub-niches. It gave me multiple different options that I could pick from. All of these have emotional weight, but I ended up choosing an anime love story between two lovers because that kind of story keeps people watching until the end. It's like watching an anime episode in 60 seconds. Now we need visuals. So things like Midjourney is amazing for anime scenes, but it costs $10 a month. So if you're just starting, just use Leonardo AI. It's free to start. So here's what I did. I opened ChatGPT and asked, write a Midjourney prompt for an emotional anime style scene of two lovers separated by time, one in the past and one in the future. It gave me a somatic prompt. Then I took it, pasted it into Leonardo AI, then I hit generate and then got 4 stunning images. I picked my favorite, upscaled it, then I hit download. Now we got visual. Next, the story. This is the part that makes people go crazy, save and share. So I asked ChatGPT, write me an emotional anime love story between two people who meet once every 10 years in different timelines. Add sadness, longing, and a plot twist. The story it gave me was fire. I tweaked the pacing, added dramatic pauses, and made sure it ended with a soft gut punch. You want people to feel it. Once that's done, go to 11 Labs for your voiceover. Paste the script. Pick a voice that sounds calm, somatic, and emotional, and hit generate. Boom, now you got a fire voiceover.
They only meet once every 10 years, but in different timelines. Sora and Aiko are so.
Next, go to Canva, open up a TikTok template, upload your anime images plus voiceover, and then align the visuals with the story. You want to add subtitles, soft background music, and then fade in and fade out with transition. In less than 15 minutes, you got a scroll-stopping anime short ready for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Now here's where most people stop, but we go further. Once your videos start getting traction, you monetize. So I asked ChatGPT, what products can I sell to an audience who watches emotional AI anime love stories? It gave me genius ideas. I really like the Substack idea. One creator launched a paid Substack and got over 900 paying members in their first month. At $5 a month, that's over 4.5K a month passively. You can also use Stanstore or Gumroad to sell your digital bundle, or even create a storybook series using Canva and promote it in your bio. Now all you have to do is stay consistent. Post 3 to 5 times a week, keep the stories emotional, and always use B-roll videos that feel somatic. This is one of the best beginner faceless page models in 2025. Anime fans are loyal and emotional content spreads. AI tools do 80% of the work for you. Make sure you check out this video right here. You don't want to miss this one. But I'm out though. Peace.